Here's how to turn off screen time without a passcode on iPhone or iPad in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. There is no official way to turn off screen time without the correct passcode. But there are a few legitimate options depending on how screen time was set up. Open Settings, tap Screen Time. Tap Change. Screen Time Passcode. Select Forgot Passcode. Sign in with the Apple ID used to set up screen time. You can now reset the passcode and turn screen time off. This only works if screen time was set up using your Apple ID. If screen time was enabled by a parent or organizer, you cannot turn it off yourself. Only the family organizer can remove or change it. If you don't know the passcode and can't recover the Apple ID, the only option is to erase the device. Go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. This removes screen time, but deletes all data. Apps or tools claiming to bypass screen time without a passcode are unsafe and can steal your data. Always save your screen time passcode or link it to your Apple ID to avoid future lockouts. And that's it. That's the real way to turn off screen time without a passcode. Subscribe for more iPhone and iPad tips.